Hey guys, welcome back to the Freedom Motivator channel. I'm Kevin Lehner, and today I'm going to do a video for you and show you how you can start blogging and do blogging for free, where to start at, and make money doing it. And I'm going to show you a little bit of proof of this also. Okay? Alright, so stick around. We'll be right back here in just a moment, alright? Hey guys, welcome back to the Freedom Motivator channel. If this is your first time here, make sure that you reach down there at the bottom right and mash that subscribe button, and don't forget to click that bell so you get notified of next time we post a video, okay? Also, since this is your first time here too, what we do here is we do videos on how-to videos, videos to do with entrepreneurship and making money, and motivational videos, and basically just value-oriented videos to help you in your marketing or in your online business or whatever endeavor that you're involved in. Okay. All right. So today I'm going to do a video, like I said earlier. I'm going to show you how to do blogging for free and how to make money with it, and also where you can start at for free. And I'll show you a little bit of proof of this too that I've experienced it myself. Okay. All right. So let's go ahead and get right on in on this. The first place that you can, first thing you want to do is you want to get a free website, right? Now, let's be quite honest about this too before we start here too. Nothing is for free, right? Either it's going to cost you some money, or it's going to cost you your time. Alright, so that's something to keep in mind there. But it is entirely possible to do blogging for free and to make money for free in terms of not spending any of your own money. And I'll show you some proof of that later on here in a few minutes. Alright, so first thing you want to get a website, right? You want to have a blog or quote website. So there's a lot of free places out there you can get websites at for free, and one of them is Wix.com here, as I'm showing you here on the screen. Wix.com is you can create a free website there, and so on. Of course, they have if you want to upgrade it, you can do that and spend money too if you want to spend money. But that's not the part of this video here. This video is all about doing it for free, right? All right, so Wix is a good site. You can start a website for free, okay, and use it for blogging and or whatever you want to use it for, so on and so forth. All right, so anyways, Wix.com, that's one site, and another site is WordPress.com. Now WordPress, you can two ways with that. You can have a blog that you have hosted on a hosting service like HostGator or something like that, or anywhere, even like GoDaddy, I think .com hosts websites too. But there again, that's the paid way, right? If you go to WordPress.com in your browser, you can start a free website here and be free forever if you want it, or you can upgrade too. They have plans and pricing here too. Here's the free one, and it starts at $4 per month, $8 and $25, and yeah, you can do it for free at WordPress.com. That's just two sites. There's others out there. There's many others. All you got to do is just do like a Google search, and you can find a lot of other places where you can do free, set up a free website or blog or whatever like that. So WordPress.com is pretty good. Now they're the most popular probably in the world. I think, what is it? I read the other day where 30% of blogs are done on WordPress, and WordPress is just probably the most recognized website or blogging site in the world. Okay. All right. So, and there's another one that you can do for free, blogger.com. which that used to be owned by Google. I think it still is. I'm not for sure about that, but it's you can do there. Now let's talk about domains here. You know, with Blogger.com, you get a free domain with them, but let's say it might be something that whatever your blog is about .blogspot.com. Okay, so it's their hosted domain, but you can go out, of course, and go to like Namecheap is what I use. Go there and purchase a specific domain that's related to your niche or your topic of your blog or whatever. Okay, so you can add those to Blogger and or Wix and WordPress too as well. But Blogger is a good way to do it, and you can do it for free there too as well. All right, so and the reason I saved Blogger for last is because here comes the proof I was telling you about. That I've done this before. Now this involves affiliate marketing, okay? And affiliate marketing is probably the easiest way to make money online. It's where you're selling other people's products and getting a commission for driving the traffic to that product or to that website that you're an affiliate of, okay? So anyways, here's the proof I was going to tell you about. I used Blogger. So I saved Blogger last. I used Blogger. And back in several years ago, I started a blog here, and it's I did on professional product reviews. As you see, this is my blog. I started this back in 2011. I think it might have been late 2010. And I wrote for about a whole year. I wrote product reviews, and I created this with Blogger. This is all my creation. Now I haven't touched it in about 7 years. I stopped writing to it. Now some of you may ask, well, why'd you stop writing to it? Well, because I got involved in other responsibilities that took me away from it, and I just kind of basically forgot about it. However, it still to this day makes me a little bit of money. I've made a total of about $500 off of this particular blog, and I haven't written to it in 6 or 7 years. I think 2012 was the last that I wrote to this blog. And all I did was I just took products and did product reviews, and it's all attached through Amazon because I'm an affiliate with Amazon, Amazon.com. And now I could pick right back up on this and just pick back up where I left off at and start again, which I have thought about. Don't know if I will, though. I'm in other types of affiliate marketing, which, by the way, now that I mentioned that, down there in the description, you'll see my link for my #1 recommended affiliate marketing business right now. In fact, you'll get, to check it out, you get $3,600, over $3,600 worth of free bonuses to take a look at this. Just reach down there and click on where it says mentorwithkev.com, and you'll see that link there, and you can see what I'm involved in right now. And it's very very profitable company. It's affiliate marketing also. Okay, but anyways, getting back to this, I started this blog back in about 2000. I think it was late December of 2010, and I wrote to it for about a year. I've got about 60 some articles on here. Reviews, I should say, product reviews. And I built this blog from Blogger.com right here, straight from scratch. It didn't cost me a penny. I've had this blog online since then. This blog still makes me money today, although it's a small pocket change. It doesn't make me a lot because it hasn't been optimized. It's been stagnant, sitting just like you see it for the last 6 or 7 years. But still, nevertheless, it still makes money, which makes the old saying hold true that in affiliate marketing, you do the work one time and it'll pay you forever. Okay, so it's a great thing. Affiliate marketing is a great thing. All right, now, so anyways, but I'll show you a little bit about how I did this. For example, this review I did right here on January the 18th of 2012 here, and it's on miter saw reviews. So if I click on it, it brings up the article I wrote about it. And what I want you to notice about it, when you're doing your blog, let's just say, you could do it in any niche you want, but this one is product reviews. Okay, it could be if you're into like food or into health and wellness, and anything, whatever niche you're in, that you have products that you want to sell, you use it. You'll bring traffic to your blog, and then they'll click on your links when they read your articles, and it's going to be search traffic, because you're going to optimize your articles to be ranked high in like the Google search engine and the Bing and Yahoo search engines, right? So when the traffic comes, they're already targeted. They're already looking for your particular article or review or whatever it is that you wrote about, right? So what I've done here is, if you notice on these articles, I've sprinkled my links, my affiliate links, throughout the article, maybe 5, 6, 7 times, right there. And that has my affiliate link on it with Amazon, right? So there's about 5 right there. There's about 6, 7, and then 1 down here. So I've got 8 links roughly sprinkled throughout this article, and then there's 9 right there. It's a pretty long article, which I wrote a lot about it. I'll tell a little bit about the pros and cons of the product, all of the specs on the product, and the specs of the product and all that. And basically all I did with that is I'd go to Amazon and I'd find a product that I was interested in, and I would get some information about that product from Amazon. Then I'd go to Google and do a search on Google for that particular product and see what other people are writing about, and then I would take some of their information and then some of the information from Amazon, and I'd put that all together, never copying. Nothing here is copied from anybody else's article. This is all written out of my own head and my own heart, each article that I wrote on here, and that's what you want to do too. You don't want to copy other people's. In fact, Google will flag you for that in the search engine, because they can see that it's the exact same thing. They'll know that you've done that, and you'll lower your search rankings. So you just want to be careful. Always write out of your own mind about the product. And that's what I did here. All these articles are out of my own mind and patterned this particular way that I did this. So anyways, if anybody, like for example, clicks on that in any of these links, and it takes them right over to Amazon, see, and it brings them up to that product, and if they purchase this product, I'll get a commission, see. In fact, the great thing about Amazon, being an affiliate with Amazon, is it doesn't matter whether they go to Amazon through your link to this product. Maybe they decide they didn't want this product, but they looked around in all the other categories that Amazon has here, and if they buy anything, doesn't matter if it's a $10,000 product or it's a $5 product, you still get a commission anyway. You still get paid, because your link, your site drove the traffic to Amazon.com, right? So you're going to get the commission for it anyway. That's the beauty of working with Amazon, being an affiliate with them. And I think most affiliate network sites like JVZoo or ClickBank or any of them other ones are the same way. They put a cookie on the browser, and if the person comes back a few hours later or a day later or something like that and purchases a product, you still get the commission, because the network picks up their cookie in the browser, and they know it was you that sent the traffic, so you get the commission from that. Okay, it's a great system. Affiliate marketing is probably the best way to make money online. Okay. So, well, anyways, that's what I wanted to show you guys today. You can do this for free. Now, like I said, my blog here that I did back 7, 8 years ago. To do this didn't cost me one plug penny, and never costed me anything. I made around $500 off of this, and still making a little bit of change today from it. And it never costed me a penny in my money. All this that you see here was done and built by me off a Blogger for free. Everything you see on here was added for free. So that's just one article there, but if I come back to the front page, You know, I didn't, all this was done for free. That's the nice thing about it. It didn't cost me anything. But what did it cost me? It costed me my time in researching the product, researching information for the article, and then compiling the article out of my own thoughts. So that took time. I think probably from the time I would start one of these articles to the time I had it done and had it optimized for the search engine, because each article you're going to write, you're going to want to optimize it for the search engines. So that might be something you want to look into, learning how to optimize blog articles for search engines, okay, which will help drive your traffic. All right, so anyways, but yeah, it costed me time. So I think probably from the time I would start, find myself a product that I liked and I wanted to write about on Amazon, to the time I got it written and loaded up and optimized with my links and optimized for search engines, I had roughly about 2 to 3 hours in that one article. It would take me about that long to do that, to get it all up and get it out on the website on this blog. So you see, it's it's profitable. It's profitable in terms of money. It didn't cost me any money. Everything I made was all profit. All it costed me was my time. So there you go, folks. That's what I wanted to show you today. If you like this video and you got some value out of it, please reach down there and hit the thumbs up button for me if you would. And also, so I wanted to show you this. This is how you can do it for free all the way around, other than it costs you your time. That's about it, okay? All right, well, that's what I had for you today, folks. Don't forget to check out my links down there in the bottom in the description. There's a lot of value for you down there. And make sure you come back. I'll be back here in a couple of days with the next video, okay? All right, you guys take care and have a great day. All right, bye-bye now.